This Unit 3 on breaklines will address other, more effective methods for obtaining breaklines. We have said that the first four methods are the basic manner in which to draw our lines. However, using the start, end, or closure code of our points will enable us to take full advantage of the system. As such, we go to the MDT, points, codes, draw from codes command, which will register the initial and end points for which we wish to use codes. In the event of using alphanumerical points, we can choose the codes, either all of them or designating them as we have seen previously. We accept and see that nothing has been drawn. Why is that? The answer is simple, because our codes are not yet in the MDT database. Well, to add them, we go to MDT, points, codes, list of different codes command. Clicking on any of them will add it to the code database. Once it has been added, we can draw under MDT, points, code, draw from codes command. We can import our points file directly. We will now see the two actions, MDT, points, code, draw from codes. We accept and see that all the codes existing in the sketch have been drawn automatically. However, the lines have been classified in accordance with type of line, but not in colors. This is due to the fact our own code database enables us to define and customize each of the codes. Well, first of all, we are going to import our points file as illustrated in previous lessons using the MDT points import command, and in the bottom corner we have the option to draw from codes. We activate this option and select our original file and see that the lines are drawn automatically. However, as we mentioned previously, they are drawn in the same layer, in the same color and type of line. To deal with this, we go to MDT, points, codes, code database, where this window will show us all the customizations and geometric features of each code, from breaklines to type of information point and spot codes. We can search for ours and edit them in a manner that enables us to modify both the layer and the colors, and if a point code is used in this case, we can assign a block that can also be drawn automatically. Well, now we have customized the process, we can return to the MDT, points, import command, and select our original file, current survey by code, where we see our points and breaklines have been drawn in accordance with the layer. Let us clarify. The MDT, points, change scale display. We should reiterate that this refers to the height of the text in accordance with what is suitable, in accordance with the scale, and that the scale of the object itself has never been changed, right? This has ensured our results are more legible.